ever built that beautiful counter app and you want to flex out and show it to your friends, or you want to take a screenshot and then possibly place it in the app store? Then you have this lingering debug thingy there showing everybody this is not a production ready app. How do you want to get rid of this? Well, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get rid of that banner. It's quite simple. So whenever you build your Flutter application and you have your my app and all of that, wherever you are returning your material app, simply go in there, okay, and then just start typing debug show checked banner. So this is what you are looking for. Once you have this option, simply turn that to false. Once you have this set to false, simply save, and you don't have it again. So you can go out there and share this beautiful counter app without having that tag over there. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.